These are the worst business models to start in 2023. Number one, Amazon FBA. Super horrible because you have no control over your business. I've been there, done that. They control everything. They can take your listing down. They can compete with you, and they can do anything they want because you're selling on a third-party platform. Number two, retail arbitrage. What a big waste of time. You're gonna go do all that footwork and spend all that time trying to find products that you could potentially sell that aren't even your brand, but somebody else's brand, and you're building somebody else up instead of building your own brand and selling it for millions of dollars later down the line. Number three, copywriting. With all the new AI stuff that we have right now, copywriting is not going to boom. It's actually going to sink because ChatGPT and all the other AI tools are actually going to do the copywriting for us. Number four, affiliate marketing. Affiliate is great if you can have a lot of followers, you're not starting like a business from scratch, you have already clientele. But if you're brand new and you have no following, you're just starting out, affiliate marketing is not the way to go. It's going to take way too much time. Number five, print on demand. You have no control over that business, okay? You're solely relying on somebody to print graphics or whatever on your products. I've been there, done that, and the products have actually printed really bad. So don't waste your time with these businesses. Let's go.